In this video, I'll be showing you how to use storage share on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So all you need to do is simply ensure that your other Galaxy device, say for example a phone, a Samsung Galaxy book, or even a tab, is on the same Wi-Fi network. So confirm both of them are on the same Wi-Fi network. And then you also need to ensure that they're using the same Samsung Galaxy account. Once you've confirmed all of that, you can then go ahead and open up the storage app on your A37. And then in the Files app or in the Storage app, you want to scroll and select Storage Share. From here, it will give you the two devices that it's currently detecting that are available. So go ahead and choose a device, and then you will need to allow on your other Galaxy device, you'll need to give it permission for the A37 to access the files. Go ahead and do so. And once you've done that, simply wait for the connection to finish being established. From here, you should then be able to see all the items that are currently on your A57 or whatever Galaxy device you're using. If you have audiobooks, they should be listed here. If you want to see their videos or movies, you should see them listed here. Pictures, you should be able to see them listed here. And so that is how you can use storage share on your Samsung Galaxy A37. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.